How much naira has like that now?
You don't do information. Maybe that
Tẹ́wá ti bọ́ọ̀lù ní NNP. Ẹ̀kọ́ ìbá ti bọ́ọ̀lù ní NNPC yẹn kọ́ ẹni kúpí hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì yẹn ní kẹ́ gbé bike 200 ní NNPC. Yes. Kúpí hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì. Gbé bike kúpí hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì. So ẹ bá ti rí pé àwọn police wà wọ́n máa drop wọ́n máa ní kẹ́ drop. Ẹ bá mi cut ẹ̀. Nobody will travel inside. Nobody will travel inside. You road that direct. I would have seen that
Yes, citizen hotel for you. I don't know, this could be hotel, but he has this.
1 minute.
People should stop entering the site. Allow them to leave it by themselves.
Hey, go back. Go back.
Don't enter the site.
You go back.
Wait for them outside the site. Let them bring it out.
I have a music studio in there with equipment worth over 10 million. And we picked few things, but I don't know what we picked because I'm not stable yet. But the officers here that were supposed to protect life and properties are rude, are uncultured, and one even pointed his gun at me. And I want the Kubwa police force to provide that guy because pointed his gun at me and insulted my mom. We are here, we are tenants here, and we should be treated with respect. And they should speak with empathy, not speak rudely and insult people that lost. You don't know what I've lost. Because I am calm here does not mean that I have not lost something. And then you use tear gas and pepper spray on people who are mourning huge losses here. It is unprofessional. What they've done here is very unprofessional.
So how many fatalities do we have?
I think there are 3 or 4 people in the hospital who had injuries on their legs, but no one is dead.
I came to meet my sister. She's living here. When I heard of it yesterday, I was so down. When I heard about the demolition, I had to come back and see her. So she wasn't happy because all her things, all what she has, all what she has labored for years is gone here. And I don't know how the owner of this building can help her because she just paid her rent. She's paying $450 in a house that doesn't have kitchen. She cooks in her room. And she just paid $450 living inside this house. And she couldn't pick anything. They did not allow her to pick any of her things. And she's in pain now as I speak.
I was residing here in the past. But when I noticed that this building is weak, that's when I moved out of the building because I can't be living and continue to endanger my life. And I tried to warn co-tenants then. I told so many of them that this building is weak, the way I'm looking at it. Because when I nearly moved in, I could notice flow of water on the walls, cracks, a lot of cracks were on the building. So That's why I moved out. And I tried to call the attention of the people who are in charge of the building to it. But all the efforts to make them listen to us then proved abortive.
How many people died or
For now, we cannot say. I know they rescued about 5 people yesterday to the hospital, but there have never been any news that anybody died. I don't think anybody died. About 5 people are in the hospital presently.
So what advice have you given?
Well, the advice I will give to the government is whenever approval is to be given to build this kind of structure, I think government agencies or government, anybody that is saddled with that responsibility of approving building construction of this nature should come for physical seeing. Not that you just sit down in the office and approve whatever structure somebody is telling you he wants to put on, especially this kind of land where we know that there is waterlogged beneath the ground. So they should not just sit in the office, they should come for physical seeing so that they will know that, okay, what they are giving approval to, what it, instead of endangering human life.
Hello.
Your room is there. Wow. You're going to interview you now, yeah? Can you talk? Want to interview you?
Okay.